Hello guys, hello.
Pesto.
Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Cleaning up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat. Time to clean up, let's make it a race. Grab your toys and find their place. The clock is ticking, let's start right now. We can do it together, here's how. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Cleaning up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat. Time to clean up, let's make it a race. Grab your toys and find their place. The clock is ticking, let's start right now. We can do it together, here's how. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Clean it up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat. It's time to clean up, let's make it a race. Grab your toys and find their place. The clock is ticking, let's start right now. We can do it together, here's how. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Clean it up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat. It's time to clean up, let's make it a race. Grab your toys and find their place. The clock is ticking, let's start right now. We can do it together, here's how. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Clean it up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat. time to clean up, let's make it a race. Grab your toys and find their place. The clock is ticking, let's start right now. We can do it together, here's how. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Pick up the crayons, put them in the box. Straighten the books and toss out the socks. Wipe the table, make it shine. We're doing great, we're right on time. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. Stack the blocks and line them up. Find that lid and close the cup. We're moving fast, it's looking neat. Clean it up is such a treat. Clean it up, let's have some fun. Put it away before the timer is done. Clean it up, do it with a smile. We'll finish up in just a little while. The timer's almost at the end, but there's still time to lend a hand. Let's tidy up before the beep, then we can relax and take a seat.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
You can hear you, but your screen is showing your WhatsApp, right?
Oh, sorry. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. You are welcome to HEPCODING. And today, we're going to be doing some fun stuff, right? Our goal today is to make sure that everybody have fun, right? Coding is fun, as you will soon find out. So you're welcome. But before we start, I want you to know why we are here today, all right? So we are here. Why? Because we want to show you some techniques or some strategy for you to learn coding, all right? So, and it's going to be a 4-week, that means 4 classes of fun. So, there are several ways in which you can learn coding. You can either do coding, you use coding for making games, you use coding for building website, you use coding for, managing devices, controlling devices. You can use coding for understanding data. You can use coding to, build AI. So coding is an important part of our future in our current world right now. So it's important that you understand coding because it's going to be the language of the world. Okay, before we get to the fun part, I want you to play a little game. And my goal for playing the game is so that you can understand. I want to see how many of you are going to get the color right. So give me a second while I bring the game for you, all right? So just stay calm and I'm going to get you the game now. And I want to see how many people are going to get the color right. So it's a very simple, not complex game, but it's just so that we can warm up a little bit before we actually start. All right? Is that okay? If it's okay, I want to hear yes. Let's go. Hello, is he okay?
Yes.
Good job. Yeah, thank you. Okay, just give me a second. A second. I am coming. So, yeah, so, and also, if you don't mind, can you please go to the chat, type your city and country in the chat. So let me start so that you can get to know me and then before I introduce myself. So I am speaking with you from Maryland, USA. So please go to the chat and type your city and your country. Thank you. Okay, while you are doing that, let's get ready for this. So once you're done, let me know once the last person is done. All right? Okay. Okay, good. So do we have any more people? Okay, yes, I think you still have some people that have not. So while you're doing that, I want you to know that while we have online students, we also have in-person students. There are students here as well who are joining this class, and then you might see some of them behind me. So just be aware of that. Okay, so now I think maybe we have everybody, but if you have not done so, please go ahead and do so now, and then we'll start. Okay. So I want you to basically listen to this game and
Brain break. Quick color quiz. Quick, say the color of the following text. Did you say blue? If so, you are like 79% of people. Let's take another look.
that's red.
The text is actually red. So why do we think it's blue? This phenomenon is called the Stroop effect. In 1935, John Ridley Stroop created a test to understand the mind's ability to process information. In his test, a subject is presented with the names of colors in differing colored fonts. He found that 4 out of 5 people will misidentify the color when the word contradicts. This is because our brains have a difficult time completing tasks when there is conflicting stimuli. Let's see how you do. You'll be shown 15 words. As the words appear, say the color of the word, not what is written. See how many you can correctly name out loud. Ready? Go.
Yes, go. Okay, orange, orange. Purple, orange. Yellow, green, orange, orange, red. I can't hear you guys. Unmute yourself and let's hear you. Red, blue, purple, red.
Time's up. How'd you do? You are above average if you got 5 or more
I
answers correct.
think I get 5.
I got
2.
I think
Ready?
I got,
Go.
green.
Green.
Red, blue, orange,
Orange.
blue,
Blue.
red,
Blue.
blue,
Blue.
Green.
green,
Green.
Red.
red, purple,
Purple.
Red.
Red. Green.
green,
Red.
red,
Red.
Brown.
Brown.
Red.
Yellow.
Ah,
What was that? How'd you
I
do this
missed that. I
time?
missed that. I
Did
missed
you
that.
notice we added
I
a
got
color?
awesome.
Are you ready for round 3?
No.
Here we go.
Yellow,
Yellow.
black,
Black.
purple, black,
Black.
Yellow.
yellow,
Red.
red, blue, purple, black, green,
Red.
red,
Green.
green, orange,
Blue.
blue, black.
Time's up. How'd you do? Did you notice we added another new color? Think you can handle round
next
4?
one's gonna be
Ready? Here we go.
Pink,
blue,
blue,
black,
black,
yellow,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
red,
red,
orange,
orange,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
purple,
purple,
orange,
orange, green,
yellow,
green.
green.
Time's up. That was really tough. That extra color really made it more challenging. Here comes the final round. Are you ready? Here we go.
White, green, pink, red, white, white, brown, green, red, pink, orange, blue, green, pink. Oh
Time's
my
up.
God.
How'd you do?
Wow.
Thanks for playing.
Wow. This is okay, guys. Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. This is not a game to test you. How did you do? What do you guys think? Let me hear you guys. How many did you get? Did you think you get? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
10.
You get 10? I think I made a mistake like twice. I saw yellow and I think I said orange or something. Yeah. Who else? How many did you think you get?
12.
You got it 12? Wow. Good job. Who else? How many? Okay. Okay. You guys are not talking to me. Is my class boring, guys? Is that what's going on?
No.
Oh, you're here to feel my vibes. Okay, I know what's going on. You're trying to say, oh, what's it? What are we really doing here today? And things like that. We're getting there. But trust me. I'm trying to make sure that, we are still waiting for some people to join. And I want to make sure give everybody a chance. After one more minute, and then we're gonna start. All right. So you will understand why I'm asking this question later, but just do me a favor. Put in the chat what your favorite color is. All right. So I'm gonna write mine now. My favorite color is light blue, actually. Is what? What's your favorite color? Aqua. Somebody say aqua. Mine is light blue. What's yours? Red is your favorite color. I'm helping the people in person to write it. What's your favorite color? Silver. Oh wow, you are one of the first people that I still like silver. What about Tommy? What's your favorite color? Red. Okay. So I think we have everybody's favorite color. Awesome. This is good. So now I want you to also do a little game. Some of you have done coding before, right? So if you have done coding before, whether it is Scratch or something, you have done test-based coding whereby you are writing code, I want you to say yes in the chat. If you have not written code before, I want you to say no. So let me know. If you have written code before, I want you to say yes. If you have not written code before, I want you to say no. All right. So for example, I have written code before, so I put yes. Let me ask the people in person, have you written code before? Only once. Once, so I would say no. What have you written? Yes, you have written code before. Okay, the rest of the people have written code before, so I'm writing yes for it. Okay, so who else? Is anybody there? I think we have about 14 people in this class now. I've only seen response from how many people? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's happening to the rest? Please, everybody, I need everybody to say yes or no. It's important. I want to know where you stand, where you are. Have you written code before? Go ahead. Everybody keep going. Have you written code before? If you have written code before, say yes. If no, it's okay. If you have not written code before, it's fine. That's why we are here. And my job is I'm going to show you how to write code. And it's very easy. It's very simple. And you can use it to do a lot of stuff. All right. So feel free, relax, and let's learn together. All right. It's going to be fun. So who else is there? Who else is there? I think we are still waiting on some more people. I need to hear your yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I think we have about 5 more people that have not responded. Can you please go ahead? Okay, so do you want me to do a roll call? Let's do a roll call then. I'm gonna start with Harush. Did you say yes or no? Unmute yourself, everybody, and just say yes or no. Harush, have you written code before? Yes or no?
Before.
You've written before, right? Correct?
I
Okay.
have written before.
You've written before. Good. Neil, you've
I
written
haven't.
before. Praise, have you written code before?
Yes.
Great. Arush, I think you said yes. Avani, have you written code before? Yes or no? Good job. Who else? Steven, who else is there? Let me see who else I'm missing. Dan, have you written code before?
No.
No, don't worry. That's why we're here. You're going to learn really, really fast. Trust me.
Okay.
Cassie, have you written code before?
Yes.
Good job. Eskin, am I pronouncing your name right? Please forgive me. Have you written code before?
No.
Okay, great. That's fine. You will be surprised how fast you will learn it. Jaden, have you written code before? Jaden, I'm waiting on you. Have you written code before? Okay. Kami, have you written code before? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let's be quick. Yes or no? Layo, have you written code before? Yes or no? Yes or no? I need everybody to unmute. I need everybody to unmute. I need you to say something. I need to know that you're in this class.
Yeah.
Okay? Good job. Or Holy Seed. Am I pronouncing your name right? If I'm not, please forgive me. Have you written code before?
Yes.
Good job. Thank you. Sabrina. Sabrina. Have you written code before?
No.
Great. That's fine. Don't worry about it. So I think we can confident. Steve. I saw Steven. Have you written code before?
No.
Great. That's good. So that's why we're here. So let's do the first code magic. Some of you might have seen this. Some of you might not have seen it. Does everybody know how to find YouTube? We all know how to find YouTube, don't we? So can you all find YouTube? I need you to open your browser. Just open the browser. I don't care whether it's YouTube, actually. Just find any browser that you like. So for example, if you are using Microsoft computer, then you should be able to find Chrome easily. If you are using Mac, you will find Safari. But if you are using Chrome, this will easily work for Chrome. So everybody open Chrome. So I want you to follow along with me. I want to show you the first coding magic for anybody who has not done coding, if has not done this type of coding before. So our focus for this coding camp is really to help you to learn web development. See all the website that you are looking at, you should be able to write code by it yourself or build the code, create a website of your own. So at the end of the 4 weeks or 4 classes that we're going to have from today, next weekend, August 16 and August 23rd, we are going to end up with everybody will create a website of their own. And I want you to be excited about it because you're going to learn something new. And I want you to know that if you know how to write a code, you will have a lot of control. For example, like the exercise we want to do now, just to show you a little bit of what you can do when you see a website. You can change the website color if you want. You can change the font size if you want. You can add an image to it if you want. And you can change the control of everything the way you want, right, to fit your own need. So the steps are very simple. All right. The steps are very simple. So I want you, everybody, open your, so this, I'll write the step for you. Oh, it's already written here from the previous class, I think. So open a browser, right click on inspect. You will find the keyword inspect, click on console, and then we will do some things. So let's do that real quick. So I've just opened a browser. I'm going to right click on that browser now, which is the step I say you should follow. So if you miss the step, stop me, all right? Everybody is going to share their screen and show how it's going, right? So that I can see whether you're able to do it, right? And if you have challenges, then we can fix it together. And if you have known it before, then I can show you more tricks about it, all right? So you right click anywhere in the browser, go to the word inspect, click on inspect. You see now, you will notice something. As soon as I get to inspect, see this code? As you are moving mouse over it, you see that it's telling you which part of this website are you in. So the code represents different parts of the website. Do you see that? See now? It's telling me I'm at the top here in the you see where that Gmail is. This is Google website. This is the code behind the front, what you're saying. There are more codes that you don't see, but this is the one that you can see, right? So we are looking at, see, this side is like JavaScript portion, things like that. These are the HTML side. Some of you might have done the HTML side. And then there is also the styling side. So we see style somewhere. So we will learn how this functions. How does it make sense? We will learn it in the book using games, and we also learn it actually writing the code. All right. So the next step I want you to do, you can see that there are so many tabs here. Element, console, sources, network, platform, whatever. We don't need this one yet, but I will explain as we go what each of these mean and what it does and how it relates to you. All right. So for now, click on console. Some of you is going to display error. So let me show you the kind of error that is going to display. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT website, for example. And I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to inspect, as I told you before. Is everybody following? If you are following, I want you to say yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job. Let's go. Keep going. Who else is following?
Yes.
I need to hear yeses. Yeses. Good. Keep going.
Yes.
Okay. Are you typing yes? Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. I just want to know that you are following me. And if you have any question, please raise your hand. I'm assuming that all of you know how to use Zoom. But if you think you don't know, I can quickly show you. Okay. Maybe I should do that actually. So it's not a difficult thing to use Zoom, right? Zoom, when you're in Zoom right now, we all know this button. This is how you can mute or unmute yourself. This is how you can decide whether you want to show your face or you don't want to show your face. And this part, you can chat or not chat. We all know that. If you want to raise your hand, you go to react, right? That's where you can show some emojis, and also you can raise your hand or not. You can clap, you can do whatever you want here. If I ask you to share your screen so that I can see what you're looking at, this is where you share screen. If I want to share my screen with you, this is where I go. If I want to, sometimes I might ask you to take control of my screen so that you can write the code on my screen. Or if you're writing code and you're stuck and I want to help you fix your code on your computer, I can ask you to give me remote control and I can say, take my remote control. So this is where we go more and then we can do that right there. When I send you remote control, then you will accept or decline it. You get it, right? So these are basic, all right? So I assume that you know this already. If it's yes, let me see yes, 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 yes. All right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me just be sure that everybody know this so that if there is a gap, I can fix it now before we go deeper. All right? So we are all good, right? Okay, good. I see thumb up. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I think we are going to have fun in this class. Yeah, I'm enjoying the class already. I thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And don't worry, if you don't like something, feel free to ask. You feel me? feel free to ask. Do you understand me? Feel free to ask me. I am here to make sure that you understand coding, and then you actually enjoy coding, not just playing game with coding, like dropping, dragging, and dropping, and you actually understand what's going on. So we go to the console. You see now, some of you might see this error, right? There are two ways you can get rid of it. You can come anywhere in the middle here, right click on it, clear console. Clear it, it's gone. For some, watch. Right click on it again. I'm just showing you the error. You see, if you go to console again, the error. You see this thing right here is also mean clear. You can either click on that or you right click and clear. So can everybody do that? Let me see. Let's use ChatGPT website. So everybody open ChatGPT website in your browser, right? So if you have done it, I need yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you have done it, yes, 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 yes. I want you to enjoy this class so well. So I need you to be responding to me so that I know if you have delay, we have problem, and I can fix it for you. All right. Just say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. All right. So I think Praise, I can see you look like Praise have some questions, correct? Do you have question? Anyone who have question, please, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. Don't be scared to raise your hand. Feel free to raise your hand, all right? Okay, we are good. Okay, so now everybody is fine, right? Okay, good. So are you all here? If you are here, then the next thing I want you to do is that I want you to type document. Just type document. Do you see it? If you see it, I need you to unmute yourself and answer me, say yes, 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 or no, 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 no. All right? Yes, 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 or no, 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 no.
Yeah.
Have you all done that? Are you saying yes? Are you saying no?
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Give me that emoji. Give me the thumb up or thumb down. I need it. I need it before I move forward so that I make sure
don't
that
see
everybody's
it.
getting it. You don't see it? Okay, I'm going to start all over again. All right. Which computer are you using? Are you using Safari browser?
I'm using Bing.
You are using what? Huh? Go ahead.
I'm using Safari.
Okay, so that Safari has a different settings. I will have to show you. Let's finish the let me see if I can send this to you to the link and then try to follow this process. Let me see. It might be too long to put in chat, but let me see if I can try. Let me see. Okay, let me put it in chat. There you go. So that's how you do Safari, all right? So open the Safari, then you have to go to Safari settings, then go to your preferences, then navigate that. You see, it's kind of, because Mac has a little more advanced security, and for us to be able to get to the console, we have to do that, all right? But just follow us, try to follow that while I'm demonstrating that. Then by the time you finish, then I can address any question you might have. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let's go back here now. Okay. So if you are already here and you have you typed document, everybody? Good. So now I need you to put period, like dot, period in front. And I need you to type body, like BODY. You see? Notice on the left-hand side, as we are typing, some things are changing, right? Then I want you to type style. Then I want you to type background color. Is everybody getting it? Okay. Let me assume that people are confused because I can't hear you and I'm not seeing some emojis to let me know whether this is good or this is bad. You have to be giving me some response, either verbal or with your thumb up or thumb down. Okay? So I need you to type document dot body dot style dot background color. So once you have done that, Then I need you to put 2 is equal to, as if you're writing mathematics equation. Then I would need you to put double quotes, then put whatever color you like. For example, my favorite color is light blue. I'm going to put light blue. All right. And then press enter. Then tell me what you see. But I'm going to do mine now in the browser. For some of you, you might have done this before. But for those that have not, just keep on following me. So I'm going to put, somebody is telling me aqua here. So I'm going to write aqua. And then I'll press enter. Do you see that? I just changed the color of ChatGPT website to what I like.
For some reason it gave me an error.
Yeah, I will ask you to share your screen so I can see the error, but just give me a little bit of time. So let me put this in ChatGPT, in the chat. And then I want you to, in the chat, I want everyone in the chat to copy it and paste it into your console and then try it from there. Maybe you type it wrongly. Just try this and change the color to what you like. Don't do this one instead. I think I put too many aqua. So do that. Copy this one. I don't know if you can see it. Copy it. I'm going to copy it again like that. Copy and paste it into your console like that, right? And change the color. I'll put it red now. Press enter. See, I just changed ChatGPT website to what I like. I want to change it to yellow. I change it to yellow. You see that? I want to change it to, what other color did you guys mention? Let me find a color, your favorite color. I want you all to change it to your favorite color. Do you now see why I ask you for your favorite color now? Okay. Somebody say pink. So let me change it to pink. Okay. Whoa, that's a pink. Somebody change it to, let me find another person. Somebody is red. I think I've seen blue. Okay, we haven't done blue. Let's do blue now. And then there's turquoise, the blue. Yeah, we have blue. Then we can change it to what other color? Do you see simple trick? You see beauty of coding? Simple trick. You can, if you don't like the website, the way it look, and you want to make it look maybe because of your eyes or because of the too much light that you want to have, I just want gray. Yeah, you can do that. You can do, somebody say turquoise. Turquoise. You have to get this right spelling right. If you don't get the spelling right, it's not going to work. See, it didn't work now. You know why? Because I didn't get this spelling right. So I'm going to try to get Google to help me out. So if you fall into that, I think okay, yeah, I get it now. So you can take that back here and fix it. If you get the spelling right, it's not going to change the color. You get the logic now? Now try that. So now, this is now the time I want to be sure that everybody is following me and that everybody is in this class. So if you don't mind, I would like you all to unmute yourself, share your video, and then say that, yeah, I've done it. I've not done it. Good. Awesome. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I'm still
So next,
working on it.
okay, I appreciate that. Thank you. So who else is there?
I
So
did
who's
it.
next? You did it. I appreciate that. Thank you. Who else is there? Go ahead. I have done it. Thank you. Jaden, thank you. Jaden, are you the one speaking now? Please let me know if you have done it or not.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So who else? Please, let me know. Let me know. Let's make this fun. Yes, thank you. So what do you think? Now I'm going to ask you who's going to volunteer and explain what you think about this now. If you have done it, I want you to explain it. Let's go. What do you think is going on? Who can try? Praise, do you want to try? I need volunteers. I need at least 2 people to volunteer. So everybody, go ahead. Thank you. Dan, please go ahead.
Is it it's the ask anything is white, but everything else is cyan turquoise.
Good. But you see that the color change to whatever you want, right? Whatever you ask it to change to, the color change to that. And that is the beauty
I
of
did it.
it, right? So the color change to wherever you want it to change to. And that's it. So everybody has done it, right? We have all done it.
Yes.
So who is left? Who is left? Okay.
Mine still doesn't work.
Yours didn't work because you are on Safari, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I love affirmative. That's from can you help me pronounce your name? I'm struggling. Please help me out.
I just
I
go
don't
by
want to
UD.
UD. Okay,
Mhm.
yeah, that's nice. Okay. Thank you, UD. I appreciate that.
Mhm.
Who else is there? I know somebody hasn't talked today. I'm trying to find that person. One person hasn't talked. Praise, I don't think you've talked today. Can you say something? Yes or no, whether you've done it? Praise, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Have you done it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Sabrina, you have not talked today.
I did it.
Good job. Thank you so much. Lio, you have not spoken. Please let me hear you out.
I did it.
Thank you so much. Arush, I haven't heard you. Please let me hear you.
I've done it.
Good job. Thank you. Okay. So now that we have done it, all right, let's now try to explain what had just happened. All right. Let's explain what had just happened. So can you see? Oh, okay, you can see my screen. Let me share my screen again. So can you see my screen now? Can everybody see my screen? I just need yes or no. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have done this. So how fun do you think? So now you can grab any website. So basically what this means is that let's look at your gaming website, whatever game website you like, or any website, that you think, let me see if I can find a website. Yeah, let me find a simple website. Let me see this one. Okay, so this is a farming website, right? Let me see if I can change the color. So I inspect and I go to console. You see, it give me this error. This warning is not an error, it's just a warning. So some of it is error, but it's like, because this part is the developer console. This is where if you become a coder, you can test your code in this environment. All right. So I clear it out and I'm writing document. You see, as I'm typing, things are changing. It's telling me this part of the website is what we call document. The entire website itself is a document like this paper, like this paper. I know, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, just like a document, like a paper. All right. So, am I sharing my video? Let me be sure. Okay. So it's like a document like that. So, you know that in a document, let me get a document for you, for example. See, I just shared this document with one of you who was using Safari. This is a document, for example. But there are different sections in this document, if you think about it. This part is introduction. We can do that. This is introduction. And this side, we call it JavaScript. We can call it JavaScript section. We call this side, let's call this side steps. Let's call this section steps. So when we write document, what the computer is doing is that I can see somebody playing, try to stop playing, and try to be serious, be focused. All right. So what this is doing is that it's grabbing the document, taking the document, and then when we can say, give me your hand. Let's assume this, my palm is the document. Okay. This is the document. Then I say document.thumb. Grab my thumb. Inside my thumb Now grab the body, grab the background of my thumb, then change the color or the style of my thumb. So that's the technique. This is the document. Document dot little finger, right? Document dot call finger, tallest finger. Document, think about this. All of this is my document, right? I say document. To get to the thumb, I say dot. So the dot is like a key to get to any part of the document. So I say document dot thumb, document dot smaller finger, document dot tallest finger, document dot tall finger, document dot smallest finger. So that's this logic here. So when I say this, I believe everybody is still seeing my screen, or maybe not. Oh yeah, you can see my screen. Great. Document, get the entire website page. Inside the document page, get the body of it. Inside the body, I want to change the style of the body. There are different styles. Some style is about the color. Some style is about the size. Some style is about different things. So I now say I want to change that part of the style, which is the background color, and I change it to any color I want.
Enter.
So do you understand the concept? If you understand the concept, I want you to say yes, 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 yes. Either type it or say it out. Okay, you get the concept. Simple concept. And that same little concept is
Yes.
used a lot, is what we call dot notation. But for now, I just want you to just follow me before we will start small and then we'll get to the big concept. So now let's grab the document of this website now. Document, all right, dot, what do we want to change? We want to go inside the body of the document. So now we are now inside the body of the document, or the document, excuse me. But you can notice something on this side. It's showing us everything that is inside the body. You see, document.body.this, that you can be showing you like that. So if you press dot again, inside the body, you can do several things. These are different methods of things we can do inside the body. So now we just want to go to the style part. So if we press S, you see scroll. When you go to YouTube, don't you scroll? Right? You do different things. So we want to do the style part. If we press dot again, there are several things inside style. You know, for you that are ladies, when you want to change your style, you can change the color of something. You can change the shape of it. You can change the size of it. You can change the look of it, right? So these are different styles that we can do. One of the styles is background color. But now let's try something else. Let's try border. All right, let's try that. That's another style. So I want to say is equal to 200 pixel. Watch me, 200 pixel. Pixel is like in computer, encoding or something. Pixel is represented as px instead of centimeter, millimeter, miles, hour. Those are different measuring units, right? So in computer as well, the way we measure the rest of this, I will talk to you about this down the line. So I don't want to be using too much English. So it's pixel. It's written as P-I-X-E-L, but it's shortened as px, right? Just like centimeter, kilometer, miles, things like that. So if I do this now, it's also going to run. Maybe we are not seeing it here. Let's use ChatGPT again to do the same thing. So you can change anything you want here. So let me see if I have anything in there that's already done like that. Okay, let's do it again. So we do border, right? Let's just say equals solid, Yeah, let's do that. Do you see that? Do you see I just changed the border of the website? If I do this again and I say 200, do you see that? It's too much. So now let me change it to 50. Now let me change the shape, the look of it. Let me use another star. Let me say I want it to be dashed. Do you see that? Oh, I want to change the color actually. I want it to be green. Okay, I want it to be green. Well, let me reduce the size, it's too much. Let's do 10. Do you see that? So can you guys say yes, 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 if you understand? I want to hear that.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay. So now I want you now to share your screen to show me what you have created. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to try. So I'm going to copy this code now. I'm going to put it in the browser. All right. I'm going to put it in the chat rather. And I want everyone to try. And then we will move on to some interesting stuff. This is just to get you interested in recoding, but we are going to go to real stuff now. So copy that code, just didn't work. Oh, are you the Arunsh? Are you the one using what do you call it? Using Safari, yeah? Yes? No, you are not using Safari. Okay. Now share your screen. Let me allow you to share your screen. So I'm going to stop sharing and then you're going to share your screen. Let's see what's going on. So let me make sure you can share. Yeah, you can share. So share your screen. Do you know how to share screen? Unmute yourself and let me know if you know how to share your screen. Okay, good. Okay, now show me where you are and why it's not working. Let me see. Yeah, you're not in the console. You need to be in the console. So to be in the console, you need to right click. Okay, right click anywhere now. Outside of move your mouse. I see your mouse in the black area. Move your mouse out of the black area. Your mouse is stagnant. It's not moving. Can you move it? Okay, move it out of the black area and right click. Right click. How many minutes we have left? Look. Right click. You're not right clicking. Okay. You know what I'm going to do for you? Stop sharing. I am going to give you control of my screen. And then you're going to type in my space. If you can do it on mine, I believe you'll be able to do it on yours. So I'm going to stop you from sharing. Stop sharing. And then I'm going to share. Is that okay? Let's do it that way. Okay. So I'm going to start all over. You see, I just opened a new browser. I mean, a new tab on my browser. All right. So I'm going to click anywhere. You don't want to click here and try to right click here. That's different, but you can do it too. Inspect. But that's only this part you are inspecting, right? You see, as you are moving the mouse, it's telling you different part of the website where you are. See, you see now we're in different spot. See, as we are moving, is everybody paying attention? So I want you to do this, even after the class. I want you to study the code of any website. You can open it, go to the console, and try to understand what's going on. Go to the element. We're going to learn all of this. For some of you that know it already, we're going to go advance a little bit. So this camp is 4 classes. Today, next weekend, 16th, and August 23rd. So if you don't get anything in today's class, we have one-on-one office hours. What I mean is that help sessions or support sessions where you can schedule maybe 10 minutes with me, and then I will do it for you. I will show you. I will help you out. Whatever the computer you're using is. Even if you have question and you don't want to share it here, it's okay. You can always talk to me directly, and then we can do it. So all you need to do, send me an email or tell your parent to send me an email, right? Tell your parent to send me an email and then book with the session. We will send the link out anyway to all the parents. So if you have any follow-up, you have any question, you try it at home, you don't get it, so then you can get back to us, and then we'll schedule a tutor. If you want me, you can say you want me directly. But if I'm not available, at least there will be a tutor to work with you. But I'm always trying to help every student, right? So now we have all tested this. So I'm giving you control of my screen now for you to be able to try it. Okay. Can you see me? Can you see Arush? Can you see it? Can you see the request? Oh, wait. Do you see the request? Okay, now I want you to type. Just click where you are now. No, let's start all over. Let's start all over. Relax a little. Hold on a little bit. Let me try. Let me start all over. I want you to open a new browser. Okay, move your mouse. Go ahead. Open a new browser. Go and open a new tab. Click on the plus sign here. I want you to click on that. Go ahead. Click on that. Or you lost control again. Okay, now you have control. Click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. Open a new tab right here. You know how you find YouTube? I want you like that. That's what I'm talking about. All right? Type ChatGPT. Okay, let's say we have opened you a new ChatGPT now. Right click anywhere you like. Right click. Move the mouse. Right click now. Do you know how to right click? Okay. I can you, okay, move my mouse so that I know you can move my mouse. Can you try to move my mouse? Arush? Okay, good. You can move my mouse. So now, to right click, let me see if you can see my mouse. Yeah, good. Go to inspect. It's the last one. Keep going. The last one. The last one. Go. Keep going down. One more. Just take one more. Okay, I'll click it for you. Inspect. So now, inspect will take you here. All right? Console. Clear, right? Clear. Clear console. Go. Clear console. Good. Now, type document. I want you to go to document. Then go to the body of the document. You can click it. It's already showing up for you. Dot. Yeah, good. Go to the body. Then dot. Go to the style. Then dot. Then which one you want to do? Background color, border, good. Equals. Yeah, double quote. Yeah, put solid. Put solid. I will tell you why you need to put solid. Put solid at the back. It's fine. Put space and then solid. Press space. No. Within that quote, yeah, press space. Then put solid. Okay. Now press enter. Good. Do you see that? Do you see you have changed it? Reduce it to 20. Bring it back. Reduce it to 20. Move your mouse to it. Remove 0. Remove 1 0. Then press enter. Good. Do you see you reduce it? Now I want you to add one more thing. Press space like that. Now type dashed like DASH. Press enter. Something is not right. Okay, you have to remove solid. You can't have two types at the same time. So let's remove this. Press enter now. You see that? Now I want you to add color to it. Add color to it. Whatever color, your favorite color. Press space. Your favorite color now. Red. Press enter. Do you see that? Now I want you now to do document.body.style.background color now. Let's go. Do it. Go ahead. So everybody is going to try. Because I need to be sure that you can do it. So or you just share your screen so that I see what you created. Dot, do dot again, dot. Say B, press B, yeah. It will show you background that you can click on it. It's already showing you one of those. Yeah, color, equals your, right now put yellow so that it can contrast. Red and red will just be together. No, you got to put double quote first, remember? Double quote, and let everything be in lowercase. Double quote, lowercase. Good. Okay, press enter. Good. Do you see that? Little by little, you are changing the website to look like what you like. So good job. Can we all give thumb up to Arush? Good job, buddy. That was really good. So you just need to do the same thing. So I'm going to copy this code that you did. You're the one that did it. I didn't. So I'm putting it in the chat again, so you can try it again after the class. Then if you don't get it, tell your parent, schedule that help session, then I can go, you can share your screen with me, then I can help you diagnose what the problem is, and then we can fix it, all right? So, but this is just to to kind of like, when does the class end? The class is supposed to end at 5, all right? So we are going forward now. Okay, good, we're almost there. So let's stay focused. So this is just a quick way to show you the power of coding, the control you have once you know how to code, all right? So, but today, really, what are we learning? What is our plan? Our plan is really for you to meet me. You have, all of you, I'm sure you are curious, like what's his name? We don't even know his name. He didn't even tell us about himself. What is it all about? Many of you might think you have an idea of what computer is already, but we can still talk about it. And then we're going to have some fun time playing some little games. And then we're going to try. So at the end of this camp, the goal is that you build a website of your own. So we are going to start today quickly, all right? So I want to make that possible quickly. So, and then we're going to practice, and then you're going to have some homework. So my name is Dr. Wale, and with me is Mr. Steven, and he's the lab instructor. So you will be seeing him a lot, helping to manage, help you with your codes and everything. And I will teach you the concept, and I'll guide you through the process. I'm sure some of you might be wondering, who am I? What is it? Why am I teaching coding? I am the founder of HEPCODING Academy, and this is our 3rd summer camp. And our goal is to ensure that it's not only that you know how to play with code, but you can actually write code. A lot of camps teach kids only how to play with code, drag and drop coding. But there are functions, there are things that you can learn yourself to know how to write the code yourself, right? We will do both. We will see both sides. So a lot of people might be expecting, oh, is the code going to be about Minecraft? Because it's fun, right? Game is fun. Some people will say, oh, is the code going to be about Roblox, or it's going to be about codable, Lego education or something like that. I know you want to do something like that. We can do that too, right? But for us, we want you to be able to build anything you want yourself. And we will tell you why. You will learn the concept by playing with the code. You will also write the code. So those are the 2 ways that we are going to do it. And what are the kind of concepts we are talking about? You're going to learn about algorithms. You're going to learn sequencing. You're going to learn about decomposition, how to break things down and come up with an idea. You're going to learn about loops, how to make something to go in a loop, repeating itself over and over and over again. You will see how that is used in YouTube, in all of the websites that you like, even in the game platform that you like. Many times you finish playing the game, right? And then it takes you back to the beginning and you start all over again. That's like loop. You keep on repeating, and then you play the same. You will see that every time you play the game, Sometimes it's the same thing that you've played before. So these are the concepts that were used to build the game. You will learn about branching. So these are different concepts you will learn in the 4 weeks, and then you will end up with your own mini website. Okay, now let's start learning coding. All right, you have at least you've learned one little thing today that you can do at home to make a website look nice, to the taste you like. Okay, if you think coding is difficult, I do not want you to think about it at all. You know why? Coding is the easiest thing in the world. This is a 4-year-old kid who is now who wrote his first game at the age of 6, and this is Timmy. So if he can do it, of course, you will do some very, very big and powerful things. So I don't want you to think like coding is tough, it's something I cannot do. Coding is easy. Yeah. So you will write code easy. Just follow me one step at a time and don't miss class. We are going to have 4 classes. You will see at the end of 4 classes how powerful you become. And then I know some of you might know the difference between a computer and what a computer program is. Who want to volunteer and tell me what the difference between the two is?
A computer program is code, and the computer is a machine that takes instructions.
Exactly. So basically, what you understand by that, you see, I put a picture of basketball here, you know, with a coach. So you can think about computer program as the instruction that the coach is giving to the players. And the players that are following the instructions are the computers. So computer is a machine. All it does is waiting for instruction. Please give me instruction. I want to do something. Please give me instruction. So you have control. So you see now what you have done today is you have simply given an instruction to computer. Go to the document, go to the body part of the document, go to the style part of the body, and then go to this type of style and change it to this. That is the instruction you have given to computer. And then you've gotten an output. So you put an input, which is the instruction. Computer think about the instruction, then execute the instruction and give you an output. And that's what we have done today. Now, I ask you a simple question. Can computer talk to you guys? Do you think computer can talk to you? Yes, yes, or no, 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 no. Let me hear. Let's go, let's go. Yes, 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 no, 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 no.
Yes.
Good job. Computer can talk to you. Okay. Do you also agree that that you can talk to computer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great, great, great. Let's keep going. Now you can talk to computer, and that is coding. Coding is basically writing instructions to a computer. It's like you want to write a letter to your mom and say, oh, mommy, I love you, I'm hungry, I'm this. You are basically giving an instruction to mommy. Mommy, can I talk to you for a second? Please wait. Please, can you say? Please, can you come? You know, you are giving instruction. And what happens? If I tell you now, everybody unmute yourself. I am basically giving you an instruction. And you are receiving it, and then you are doing something. So that is basically what coding is about. If you hear anybody that say, oh, I am a coder, basically what they are saying is that they are kind of person who write and who understand how to write instruction that is given to a computer. If somebody say, I'm a computer programmer, all they are saying is that they are coders. They write instructions that are given to the computer. Okay, I'm glad that we are all understanding and we are following. Okay, but the question is, in which language are you going to give instruction to this computer? You know, computer and computer programming is just as the same way we human beings communicate. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm giving you instruction in what language? Who can tell me which language I'm using to give you instruction? I know it's a dummy question, but just say somebody say something. Which language am I speaking right now? Please say something.
English.
English.
Exactly. English. And you are the one receiving the instruction. So I'm giving, so there's so many languages like that. Hello, hola, bawo. You understand? There are so many languages all over the world that human beings are using to give instruction to each other, to one another, right? The same way in computing as well. We have several instructions or several languages that we use to give instruction to computer. And some of these languages are HTML. Everybody say HTML. I can't hear you. Please unmute yourself and follow me.
HTML.
HTML, CSS,
Yes,
JavaScript, Python,
JavaScript,
C++, Java, SQL, Ruby, C Sharp. There are so many languages. Let's go to Google and just try to search and say list various types, various computer programming languages. I want you to see so that when you hear your colleague or your friend say, oh, I know how to write Java, I know how to this, they're not saying anything special. They just say, talking like, oh, they understand French. It's like somebody say, oh, I know how to speak French. I can speak in Chinese. I can speak in Russian language. That's what they're saying. They're just saying, I can speak to computer in this language instead of this language, right? It makes somebody sound smart if you know it, right? So look, I just asked Google to give me different languages: Python, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, Go, Ruby, Swift. There's so many. Even if you want to find out which programming language was used to write popular coding games like Minecraft, which programming language was used to build Minecraft? Watch, it will give us an answer. Which one? Java. And which one? Which is Java is built on C++. But C++ built on Java. No, the other way around, sorry. So they use that to build it. But let's ask about Roblox, for example. So the language is called Lua. So Lua is a language that is derived from C++, another language. C language, right? So when you hear all of these things, don't be surprised or be confused. It's just saying, I know how to speak French instead of Russian, or I know how to speak English. Sometimes, when you are listening to somebody speak in Russia, saying, how are you in Russia? It will be like, what are they saying? It look like something crazy, but they're just saying the same thing as English. How are you doing? All right. Or there's somebody saying something in Chinese, shen shen. And then you're wondering, like, what's he saying? It's the same thing, like, thank you or something. So that is basically what that is, all right? So now let's write some code, all right? Let's keep going because we are about to wrap up. So I need all of you to stay true. I need you to stay through the class, all right? Because it's important that you don't miss the class so that you can get all the logic. So now, computer can do a lot of things. We can use this instruction to create website. We can use those instructions to create games, to create apps, to create our calculators. I think I make spelling mistakes there. To create reminders. Sorry about that. So, but there are two ways in which you can give this instruction to computer. You can either type it like text. You remember at the beginning of this conversation, I asked all of you, I say, have you written code before? That is basically text coding. If you have done scratch coding before, that's block coding. Basically what you are doing when you are dragging and dropping is somebody has written the code, and then they put the graphics behind on top of it. When you drag the traffic, you are dragging the code that they've written. So we are going to do both. You're going to have fun, and then you're going to learn this as well. Okay, so now I want you guys to quickly go to open this website. I want you to open a website called One Compiler. Just type One Compiler in Google. One Compiler. Do you see it? I will put the link in the in chat. We are going to start writing real code, and then you're going to see how much power you have and how fun it is. So let me give you, let me put it in the chat. Let me put it in the chat. All right. So everybody ready? Where's your computer? Okay, everybody ready? Yes. So I'm putting it in the chat. All right. So go to onecompiler.com. I've opened mine, onecompiler.com. All right. So here you
Can
have
you
a choice.
share it?
One, like one is ONECOMPLIER.com. COM. Try that. One compiler. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, then you should see it. It's right here. Just type that in .com in your browser and bring it up. So let me log in into my. Oh, I thought let me find the one that. Okay. So I have logged in into mine already. Okay. So, but you can create your account later. I don't do anything crazy, just make it simple. All right. We're going to be writing our code in there so that we can always keep our code and we don't lose our code and we can continue to learn. All right. It's free. But if you want some more things, then it's when it's become premium. But you can see now. Do you see the languages? Do you see several languages? Yeah. You see Java, Python, everything. We are going to be learning JavaScript.
Yes.
We're going to be learning HTML, JavaScript, and we are going to be doing CSS. And I will introduce you a little to Python. Then if you want more, you want to learn Python, because Python is really powerful, especially for data science and for building AI. If you are interested in that, then you can also continue with us. If you want to learn JavaScript more, because it's deeper, we're going to start small. So everybody click on HTML. Even if you haven't signed in, click on HTML. Then it will take you to this spot. All right. So for today, for our coding for today, I want to show you the structure of an HTML page. So we are doing test coding now. Next week, we will do block coding. That will be fun as well. So let's do a little bit of test coding. So basically, we want to convert a code like this into a website that looks nice. That's our goal. So, but you first of all need to understand when we say HTML, how does the language work? Every language has some rules and structure of how it works. Just like English. You want to say go, that is the verb. You say my name, Wale, that is noun. House, that is a noun. So the same way in language, we have rules, we have structure, we have syntax. So we call them syntax. So I'm going to show you how the structure works. First of all, before we continue, is there anybody among us who does not remember this song in kindergarten, like head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes? Who doesn't remember? Does everybody remember? If you remember, just say yes, 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 yes. Let's go.
Yes.
Good. Yeah, good. So that is the same concept that in which HTML is structured. So in HTML, there is three important parts: the head, the body, and the foot. which is like, we call it footer in HTML. So the first way they write the code is that they will first of all tell computer, this is the language I want to speak to you. You see, they put HTML. That is the language that I want to speak to you. Then you put head, body, footer inside the language. I say, I want to speak to you in which language? HTML. And then I put head, body, footer. Every website that you've ever seen, this is the structure in which all of them were built. So let's take an example of one of the websites, and then let's see if what I just said is true. Let's look at Google. Go to inspect Google. Now, look at this in the element. This is the HTML part. What do you see? You see, you first of all declare, I want to speak to you in what? In HTML. And then what do you see? Head. What do you see? Body. And then if you scroll to the end, you might see footer. Footer is optional. Do you see that? That is the structure in which every website is created. Let's try to find another one. Let's look at ChatGPT. Let's inspect this one too. Do you see the same structure? You see? And then body. Footer is optional. Some have, some don't. It doesn't have to. Let's find your popular website like Minecraft. We are almost done. I think we have 15 minutes left. So I need everybody to stay with me all through, because I need to tell you the important spot. So right click, inspect. All right. Let's go to the beginning. What do you see? I want to speak with you in HTML, head, body, and then that's it. Footer is optional. Let's find another website, or let's stop there. So you can see now, the structure is always the same. Always the same. Take note this. You say the language, then you put head, body, shoulder. Head, body, footer. So if you forget what the structure look like, just remember that song. Head, body, knees, and toes, right? So let's write the first code. Let's go to everybody go to your online compiler. Go to your one compiler. Do you see that compiler is already do it for us? But I want to delete everything, and I want us to start small. Let me see if I can make this bigger so you can see very well. Can you all see clearly now? So when you want to start writing code to create a website, you need to write this one. It's constant. This is just making a declaration so that the computer can know. I'm declaring the kind of document I want is an HTML document, because you can have different kind of document. I can have a JavaScript kind of document. I can have Python document. I can have text document. I can have Excel document. I can have Microsoft Office document, a Word document, like that. So this is basically saying, this is the kind of document I want. I want HTML document. Then what do we need to do? We need to say the language that we want to use to start speaking to the computer. The language I want to speak with you is HTML. I will now explain something to you real quick. For now, I will tell you next week what we mean, but I need everybody to follow me, because we are going to be building this website together gradually. Please follow along. So everybody, I'm putting this in the chat now, and I want you I want you in the chat to follow it. Is that okay? Everybody, can you do that? I'm putting it in the chat. Where's my chat again? Okay, I'm putting it in the chat now. So I need you to do that. Do that in the chat. Do that. Everybody copy it. If you have copied it, I need you to say yes, 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 yes. Everybody say yes, 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 if you have done it. You have done it, right? Okay, great. So we have some people who have done it. And we have some people, if you have done it, say yes, 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 yes. Okay, I see some yeses. Okay, I see some yeses, nice. Okay, now that you have done that, right? I want you now to continue, let's continue building. So now, the next thing we need to do is put head in it, like that. Leave that there. After head, you can just do this. Let's do it this way for now. After the head, let's put the body, like that. So let's put the foot. Remember, it's called footer, but when you think about that song, head, shoulder, but shoulder is part of body anyway. Head, shoulder, knees. We don't need knees in this case. We only need the foot. So only three parts: head, body, and footer. So these are the three aspects we need to make any website, anyone. This is optional. Some people put it, some people don't put it. But these two, you need it. So now, anything you want people to see, if you buy a new clothes, a new dress, are you going to wear it on your head? Are you going to wear it on your body? Can somebody say something? I need to hear you. Are you going to put it, if you buy a new nice, let's say you buy a new nice shirt, and you want your friend to see it, are you going to put it on your body? Or are you going to put it on your head? So anything you want, yeah, exactly. Anything you want people to see on your website goes inside the body. Where is inside the body? You see where this cursor is, this in between these two angle bracket like that? That is the inside. Anything I write here now, watch me. Anything I write inside here will show up on the website. This side, on the right-hand side, this side is to show you how your website is going to look like when people open it. So as you are building, you can begin to see what it's going to be like. So I will say my name is Dr. Wale. If I run my code now, watch what happens. You see, my name is Dr. Wale. That's all people will see in the body. The body. So now, remember before, we say document.body. So you grab this now. That's what is going on. So my name is Dr. Wale. Now, this Dr. Wale is so boring. It just looks so boring, right? I want the background. See, our body is so boring. I want to change the color from just white, right? So we are going to be building our website about my favorite things or myself, about me. You can make a website about yourself and make it your own website. People want to meet you. They want to know, see now about me. So, but the background is too boring, and I want to make it, I want to make it a little bit more interesting. So, like it's like, it's like you have a house. You have a house, and the house is being built, and the house is built, but it's not painted. Okay. And the house is built, but not painted, right? Therefore, what do you do if you want to paint the house? Are you going to paint the floor? You will paint the walls, right? So that it can look beautiful. So this side, you see between this angle bracket and here, this is the wall. So let's open the wall now and let's change the style. Then I will write the style equals double quote, background color equals, I want to change it to yellow. Let me run my code. So my code is not working. Wait. Are you all following me? Yes. Okay. It should work. Run my code again. No, what's going on? Let's run it again. Oh, wait. Okay, let's change the border. Let's change the border. Let's change the border for now, just for me to know that it's working, something is not wrong with it. So let's put, remember with this solid 200 pixel, and let's run it now. I think my code is working. Wait, I think I see what's wrong. Give me a second. Okay, let's change the, wait, let me just be sure something is not wrong. Something is wrong, but give me a second. Font size. Font size is equal to 100 pixel. Let's try that. Still not working. Okay, all right, let's try something else. Let me refresh my code. Give me a second, guys. Let's 3 minutes. Okay, let's try simplest. I want to show you what you are going to end up building. Just give me a second. Okay, let's run this. Okay, see, for example, I think something is wrong with the browser, but see, now it's working. See, for example, you should be able to put whatever you like on your website. This is in other classes, right? We don't have much time left, but we are going to continue. So what I want you to do, everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can I get some yeses? Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we're going to continue next week. So your job is to build a website in the end. So you can put your favorite animals. You can say, I want to talk about myself, but we are going to be building it together, one step at a time from class. So I'm going to copy today's code, which for some reason wasn't working on that one. I don't know what. Let me open another one. I think there must be an error in the code. I'm trying to figure the error. Okay. I think I see the error. Okay, look at this code, for example. Let's run this. Do you see that? I was able to change the border. So now let's just replicate the same thing. I don't know why that one wasn't working. Look at this paragraph now inside of it. Let's make it also, let's say star equals to border, right? Solid, 20 pixel. And then let's do that. And let's run the code. Do you see that? I just changed that. So the same way we are going to do that, let me go to your code again and then see where the problem was in that code. Okay, let's review this code. Okay, I see the problem. Yeah, no, it's no problem here. It's no problem. I figure your code out. I don't know why your code doesn't want to work, but I think there's a problem with that browser. So do you have any question? Let's use this moment to talk about questions, and then we can continue later. So I will send those codes in the chat now, and then you copy it, and then I want you to make sure you write that line of code before next class. You understand? So your next line of code, I want you to write that against next week. Okay. Now I think I understand what the error is. You remember when we did that, we were doing border, we changed the size, you can change the size, you can add color, and then we can make it bigger if we want it to be bigger. We can make it to move down a lot more if we want it to do that. Let's run it now. Do you see that? So this is where we have now. So I'm going to put this in the chat, and I want everyone to build that, put that on your computer and begin to work on it. All right. So that's what we are going to be going little by little, and we're going to build something. So if I want to put an image in it, we don't have time, we have left. So let's use that little, just give me a little 2 minutes more. I need you to talk. I want you to ask me questions. Let's go. I will mute all of you now. Do you have any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? No question?
No.
Do you have question?
No.
Okay, I'm
No.
going to read.
No.
Good job. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do you have a question?
At the very end, are we gonna make a real game?
Yeah, we will. So the thing is that for now, we want to make a real web page. A real web page. That's what we want to do. And we can make things move. Let me add a little thing to your code now, just for you to see that we can move things also. So let me add something. My game. I'm going to create something quickly. H1, my game. And I'm going to make this my game to move. All right. So I'm going to say, I'm going to make it to move. Are you guys looking? We're going to end it now. Just give me a second. Do you see now? Yes. Do you see that? So I'm going to add this updated code to you now. So you want game, we will do that. We can make things move. We can do whatever we want to do, right? But our goal is to make you to understand how to write a code, all right? So we are already too late. So guys, I'm sorry for the 2 minute late. We're actually just on that, but if you don't have any other question, does anybody else have any question? Okay, great. So see you guys on Saturday. Remember to remind your parent that we have parent feedback meeting so that they can have an idea of what you're learning and how you can take it further. And if you want to learn more coding, you can go on HEPCODING.com and sign up for 4 coding classes, and then we will be able to take it further. If you have any question, let's say you don't understand something and you want to have a session with me, it's free. Just tell your parent to send an email, all right? Thank you, guys. Have fun. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. And next week is going to be more games and more fun, right? Today
Thank
is
you.
just to take you to,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, you
Bye.
too.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. It was nice to meet you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. If you have questions, feel free to send an email and we'll schedule a one-on-one meeting with you. We'll make sure you get it. All right. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you.
I would have said it's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I've read you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I would have said it's nice to meet you.